In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost in WooCommerce. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area where you manage your site. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the WooCommerce option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it, and a sub-menu will appear. From that sub-menu, click on Settings. This will open the main WooCommerce settings area. Across the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Shipping. This is where all of your shipping configuration lives. If you've already set up some shipping zones in the past, you'll see a list of them here. A shipping zone is basically a group of regions or countries that share the same shipping rules. If you want to start fresh, look for the Add Zone button and click it. We'll set up a new zone from scratch. Inside the zone editor, you'll see a field for the zone name. Type in a clear, descriptive name that helps you remember what this zone is for, such as domestic shipping or Europe zone. Next, move to the zone regions field. Click inside this field and a drop-down will appear, showing a list of regions and countries you can choose from. Select the regions or countries that should be covered by this shipping zone. You can select multiple if they share the same rules. Take a moment to make sure you're including all the locations you want. Once your region is set, look for the Shipping Methods section and click on Add Shipping Method. A pop-up window will appear with different types of methods. Choose Flat Rate. This option allows you to define a fixed shipping cost. Click Continue and wait for the pop-up to reload with the settings for this method. Now, give this shipping method a name. This label may appear to customers at checkout, so use something clear like Standard Shipping or Express Shipping. For tax status, choose whether the shipping cost should be taxable or set to none, depending on your store's tax rules. In the cost field, enter the amount you want to charge for the shipping method. This will be the fee customers pay when they choose this option at checkout. When you're happy with these settings, click Create and Save to store your new shipping zone and method. If you want to add another shipping cost, for example, a different rate or service level for the same zone, just click Add Shipping Method again in the same zone and repeat the same steps.